Welcome back. Now, in some cases, you will have an affiliate that will come late to promote your product. And depending on how late it is in the duration of your launch, you may want to communicate with them how much time is going to be left. And what you're going to do is to go to your favorite page builder, and you're then going to make sure to put in a countdown timer. Now, again, we are using an older version of Optimized Press. And so what we're going to do is we're going to put in the countdown timer. We're first going to make sure that the background is what it should be. And once we do that, we're going to add in an element that is a countdown timer. Now, this may not be the case for every page builder that you are using. If you do not have one in your page builder, you can typically attain one either in add-ons to your page builder or that can be added through HTML code to your site. So we're going to choose the style of the timer, and then we're going to place the timer here on the actual page. And basically what we have done is we've made sure that when the affiliate comes to the particular page that we are communicating with them how much time is left for them to be able to promote. So we're going to add in a specific headline, and we're going to add this to the area with the countdown timer. And basically what we've done is we've made sure that the affiliates know exactly how much time is left, and they know how much time is going to be at an actual glance. In some cases, this will incentivize affiliates to attempt one last promotion with their email marketing list. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video. In conclusion, you've seen a number of platforms and a number of features that you can use in order to administer your affiliate program. And if you don't want to use a WordPress website or a cloud-based service, you can use a platform like a member, which allows you to self-host your product delivery as well as your affiliate program. And obviously, as of the recording of this video, there is a cost associated with a member, but again, it is an alternative to you. If other alternatives do not fit in with your online business or the online portion of your business. So the important aspect of this entire process is to determine the features that you want, determine how you want to administer your affiliate program, and then choose the tools that best fit those parameters. Depending on how you want to customize your platform, you can typically combine elements from many of your existing services. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I'll see you either in another video or in another course.